Alright, just got done taking this out of the cardboard packing. This is the cat step. And upon unboxing it, I noticed every single corner on here. This adhesive strip is peeling up on every corner. Some worse than others. Every single corner is damaged, so they didn't glue that down very good. Also, all the lock nuts are barely into the nylon lock nuts, so I will have to tighten all of those. Another thing I noticed that some people might have to watch out for is the air holes in a lot of welds. Multiple points on here. So make sure all your welds are solid and all your bolts are tight. A little disappointed, new product right out of the box, that every single corner is obviously not stuck well. But feels really solid, high grade metal. Definitely a back saver when you're working on trucks all day and equipment.